Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to create our Tableau dashboard under 5 minutes. So let's start by creating our area chart. Let's bring order date as a continuous month. Let's bring sales. We'll duplicate sales. So the first one is going to be an area chart of the color purple with the opacity 15. The second one is going to be the same but with 70 opacity with the dot. Okay, now we will create a dual axis, synchronize, and then remove the header. I'm going to remove the title here because it doesn't add any value in this situation. Let's name it sales over the months. Okay, now let's create our bar chart. So for this, we're going to take subcategory and sales. Let's sort it and maybe round the borders, remove 0, create a dual axis, put it as line, and then take measure names and put it on path. Let me just remove the value here and make it start from 0. Good to go. Let me increase this size a bit and put the same color, 70. Okay, let's call it sales by category. Okay, now we can create our map. We're going to take states as a field map. We put sales and color. Let's change the color here to purple as well. Okay, and then we can maybe use the border as white. Not that great. Border like this. Okay. Let's put maybe let's put the name here, yes, and also the sales. Let's reduce the size of this to 8. Okay, so let's call it sales by it. We can now create our dashboard. Let's take the area chart, the sales by category, and then the map. I'm going to remove the legend, we don't need it. Let's take a text object to create the title of the dashboard. So it's going to be sales dashboard. Okay, adjusting the height, and here we will give a background a bit darker, and then for the whole dashboard we're going to give a lighter background with a border. Okay, maybe it should be white. Let's see, white. Yes, now we can remove this and then reduce this to 10. Okay, 10 as well, and 10 as well. Remove the unknown, use this as a filter, and now we have our dashboard under 5 minutes. California. Okay, thank you. Bye.